And we're now getting some more breaking news. Jamia Chief Madani sparks row. Madani remarks over Delhi blast probe. He says that the government won't allow Muslims to rise. Muslims can't become vice chancellors in India. Look what is happening at Al Falah. And the Congress party has in fact backed Jamia Chief's comments. The BJP meanwhile has hit out at the Jamia Chief Madani. And so clearly a war of words has now erupted over Madani's remarks, with the Congress backing the remark, but the BJP hitting out at what Madani said. So Madani has said that the government won't allow Muslims to rise in India and that Muslims can't become vice chancellors in India. In fact, he also highlighted that look what is happening at Al Falah, and a controversy has now erupted over his remarks. Let's listen in.
अपाहज हो गया, खत्म हो गया, बांझ हो गया। मैं नहीं समझता हूं ये बात। क्या बात है कि आज दुनिया का मुसलमान एक आदमी न्यूयॉर्क का मेयर बन सकता है, ममदानी लंदन के अंदर मेयर बन सकता है, एक खान हिंदुस्तान के अंदर किसी मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी का कोई आदमी वाइस चांसलर नहीं बन सकता, और अगर बनेगा तो आजम खां की तरह जेल के अंदर जाएगा, इकबाल की तरह औलाद जेल में डाल दी जाएगी। आज देख लीजिए अल फलाह का क्या हो रहा है, जेल में पड़ा हुआ है, और कितने साल जेल के अंदर गुजरते हैं नहीं जानता कोई आदमी।
हमेशा से इन लोगों का डुअल कैरेक्टर रहा है। ये सब अरशद मदनी साहब हों या इनके परिवार के लोग रहे हों, इन्होंने सिर्फ देश के मुसलमानों को लूटने का काम किया है, गुमराह करने का काम किया है, और दूसरों के सर पे ठीकरा फोड़ते हैं और अपनी दुकानें पूरी तरीके से चलाते हैं। एक बहुत लंबे समय से आप देखिए ना कि मुसलमानों के नाम पर सरकारों से लाभ पाने वाले लोग निजी स्वार्थ के लिए काम करते रहे, लेकिन मुसलमानों का तो उत्थान नहीं।
And my colleague Samad Srivastav continues to stay with us. Samad, such remarks coming to the fore from Jamia Chief Madani, does this show that he is against the crackdown on the terror hub that is ongoing across the country?
Well, exactly. Whatever the crackdown against the terror activities in Lucknow, in Delhi, or in Saharanpur is happening, this seems that his statement of Maulana Madani is quite motivated with all these actions by the UP ATS and the Jammu Kashmir police, and that's why this statement is coming in from Maulana Madani. He's clearly saying that a Muslim man can become a mayor in London, but he can't be the VC. That means the vice chancellor in any university of Uttar Pradesh or India. So that's a big remark coming from Maulana Madani, where he's trying to say about the situation of Muslims in India, while on the other hand, Mohsin Raza, the former cabinet minister of Uttar Pradesh government, and the BJP leader is slamming Maulana Madani and saying that he's keep on giving these particular statements to incite the Muslim community in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and that's why these statements aren't any applicable for the Muslims of Uttar Pradesh, and that's why Mohsin Raza is giving a setback to Maulana Madani, while Maulana Madani is in a line of saying that these things are happening there. A Muslim can become a mayor in London, that he can't be the vice chancellor in any university of Uttar Pradesh, while Congress party seems to be backing this particular statement and saying that many actions being taken by the security agencies are motivated in the time of religion. Back to you.
Stay with us. Let's also listen into how the Congress party has reacted to Madani's remark.
इसलिए आजम खान ने डुप्लीकेट पैन कार्ड परमानेंट नंबर इनकम टैक्स का रखा। ठीक है, गलत है। यहाँ तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की फर्जी डिग्री है। यहाँ लाखों वोटर्स हैं जिनका डुप्लीकेट वोटर्स हैं, लाखों आधार हैं, उनको भी जेल भेजा गया। तो अब जैसे अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी है, मैं मानता हूँ कि कोई गया गुप्त रूप से टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज किया है, उसको क्षमा नहीं करना चाहिए, टेररिज्म को क्षमा नहीं करना चाहिए, लेकिन पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी को टारगेट नहीं कर सकते ना, बंद कर दे यूनिवर्सिटी, ये नहीं कर सकते।
And my colleague Samarth continues to stay with us. Samarth, firstly, the shocking remark by Madani claiming that Al Falah is facing witch hunt. He also goes on to say that Muslims can't even become vice chancellors in India, clearly ignoring the fact that India has had presidents and chief ministers and union ministers from the minority community. And on top of that, the Congress party even backing this controversial remark.
Well, exactly. That statement coming from Udit Raj is also quite shocking because what we have got to know from the security agency sources that many links have been found from the Al Falah University in near the Delhi, and it's not just about the Al Falah University; it's also about the Integral University in Lucknow. We saw that terror links, especially Parvez used to take the night shift, especially in the Integral Universities. Now the ATS sources claiming that what he used to do in the daytime, he could have been involved in any terror activities or in a way supporting Shaheen, her sister in this particular entire thing, because Shaheen was also planning a meeting in Lucknow, and that's why she booked a Chabag hotel for some of his key suspects. And that's why the statement coming from Congress party leader is quite shocking, because we cannot question the security agencies, because no government would want any universities to shut, because there are many other innocent students will be studying here. But if they have found some links, or you can say a series of links, then only such a decision could have been taken. So the statement coming from Congress party is shocking, and obviously the UP BJP leaders are slamming Congress party for this particular statement, that in a way Congress has kept on supporting the terrorism, and this one such a statement is another example of it. Back to you.
All right, Samar, do stay with us. So that's the breaking news that's coming in. Jamia Chief Madani has sparked a controversy with his remarks over Delhi blast probe. Madani has said that the government won't allow Muslims to rise. Muslims can't become vice-chancellors in India. Look what is happening at Al Falah. He claims that Al Falah is facing witch hunt. Now, the Congress party has backed Jamia Chief's comments. The Congress party has said that Al Falah University must not be targeted. Meanwhile, the BJP has hit out at the Jamia Chief Madani's remark. Let's listen in.
मान अपाहज हो गया, खत्म हो गया, बांझ हो गया। मैं नहीं समझता हूं ये बात। क्या बात है कि आज दुनिया का मुसलमान एक आदमी न्यूयॉर्क का मेयर बन सकता है, ममदानी लंदन के अंदर मेयर बन सकता है एक खान। हिंदुस्तान के अंदर किसी मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी का कोई आदमी वाइस चांसलर नहीं बन सकता, और अगर बनेगा तो आजम खां की तरह जेल के अंदर जाएगा, इकबाल की तरह औलाद जेल में डाल दी जाएगी। आज देख लीजिए अल फलाह का क्या हो रहा है, जेल में पड़ा हुआ है, और कितने साल जेल के अंदर गुजरते हैं नहीं जानता कोई।
And my colleague Samarth continues to stay with us. Samarth, is this an attempt to provoke fear and fuel unnecessary communal divides?
Well, exactly. Such statements will only worsen the situation out here, because we have seen when we were covering that particular hunt of Parvez and Shaheen, especially near their residences, where maximum localities, maximum households were of the Muslim community. They were even supporting the security agencies. Even the family of Parvez, who has a senior member in the Krishi department, in the agriculture department of UP, though he is retired from there, he also supported the interrogation. He even said that when security agencies are coming to our homes, we have to support them. That's not the mindset of every Indian Muslim, but the way Maulana Madani is trying to incite the Indian Muslims out here is quite worrisome, because the other ones aren't much aware about this particular situation, what exactly is happening, because many were also picked by the UP ATS in the interrogation and by NIA, but later were released because they had no such connection. So security agencies do also know, like, if he or she is a student, he might have a good future, and they cannot ruin it for the country just because he has a terror link. So that's what security agencies know. But Maulana Madani is trying to incite the Muslims out here. But Indian Muslims out here, we have seen on the ground by covering the localities in Lucknow, they were completely supporting security agencies throughout the operation and were against Pete Shaheen or Parvez. Back to you.
In fact, absolutely, Samarth. Right. Thank you so much for getting us all those details and for that context. So a controversy has erupted over Jamia Chief Madani's remark, who is also the Darul Uloom chief, the most influential Islamic seminary, and he has now stoked this controversy, claiming that Al Falah University is facing witch hunt. Remember, the Delhi blast probe is ongoing, and Madani meanwhile claims that the Al Falah University that is at the center of the probe is facing witch hunt.